What's going on, traders? Johnny here with the Investing for Beginners community, and today we are going to talk about Palantir Technologies, or ticker symbol PLTR. Now, this is a company that we did trade today. We caught a really nice 3% and missed out on literally 8.5%. So we missed out on about 5% after we locked in 3%. Now, why did it go down? Well, it went down because there was a lot of people shorting this stock. Okay, it went down 15%. And as you can see here, it actually bounced off one of our previous support levels and then hit this resistance level to make even some more money after hours at about 8%. Now, guys, why did this happen? Well, Palantir did beat its earnings per share and beat its revenue for Q1 2024. So why exactly did this company drop 11% after market? And it was actually more like 15%. Well, it says because Palantir announced financial results for the first quarter. According to financial reports, Q1 revenues was US 634, indicating that it was up 20% year over year, and the market expected 625 million. Now, the earnings per share was 8 cents, in line with expectations. Net profit 106 million was the largest quarterly profit ever, far exceeding the average estimate of only 83 million. So why did the company go down? Well, the company reports that its overseas sales efforts have faltered. Palantir's executive said in a conference call after the announcement of the earnings report that Palantir's international business fell 3% month over month during quarter due to the continued downturn in the European market. Now, the European business accounts for 16% of the company's business. Karp said during the conference, "We are really facing resistance in Europe. Over the next few years, Europe's GDP growth rate will slide to 0%. This is a problem for us. There are no easy remedies." Now, that is what happened here. The stock once fell sharply by 11%, and after our market trading in the US stock market, the company has been one of the major stock benefiting from the corporate AI boom in the tech world and has soared more than 200% over the past 12 months with the help of new products. So, with that said, guys, what do we do from here? Well, what I'm going to do is look for this bounce. So let's look at the 4-hour chart. As you can see here, it was going nicely along with that yellow line right there. It was up almost 16%, and now it's back to previous lows in since May 1st. Now, what we can do is take this away, obviously. Look where it bounced. It bounced right at this SMA line. So tomorrow we may see signs of either more sell-off, about 5%, or we will see signs of a bounce and recovery back to previous highs for another 8 to 9% profit. So we are going to wait and see exactly what happens in this market tomorrow. We're going to take a couple of these red lines away. These now become resistance levels, okay, because old support lines become new resistance lines. And as you can see here, it bounced off this, or it stopped selling off, went down as low as here and up as high as here. So this candle alone was a 15% candle. So tomorrow we're going to be looking at possibly getting some more trades in. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel, smash that little notification bell, as I do go live every single morning at the market open. So for my time, it's 7:30 when the market opens. For you, it may be 6:30, 8:30, 9:30. Whatever time the market opens, I will be live trading the stock market. Now, this isn't the only company that we will be looking at, but it is our main focus in today's video. Thank you guys, and have a great day.